Welcome to planetgoals.com. In the previous tutorial we made a contact form with three fields, which was made by default. When we enable the default contact form of Drupal, we get these four fields by default. What if we want to add few more fields in this form, add our own custom fields in this form, and this on clicking the send button, this form goes as an email. What if you want to also save these records in the database so that the site administrator can view it later? We can achieve that functionality using a module named Webform. I'll search for Webform module in Google. I have got one link here. See, this is we can easily download this module, which is for Drupal7, which we are using currently. We'll click on this link and download this module. Once this thing has got downloaded, we'll open yeah, we have the module here. We'll copy it and paste it in the desktop here, and to enable the module, we'll go back to our Drupal site. We'll click on structure. Under structure you have we'll click on modules. We'll click on modules, and under modules you will see a link, install new module. When you click on this link, you can browse the module which you have just downloaded, and I've saved it in the desktop. So I'll give the path to that module and I'll install it. The tar version, the zipped version. Once you've enabled it, you will get a message stating installation was completed successfully. Now next step, what you need to do is enable newly added modules. So I'll click on that. You will see the link that will appear here. Under modules you will see this link. When you click on modules, you will get this page, and when you enable this and click on save button, it will get enabled, and we will make a web form. Okay, see here you got the message that it has got saved. Now you will click on add content button. When you click on add content, you will get a new link here, that is web form. Now we'll click on web form, click on say feedback. Please give us site feedback. Now you don't want comments to be enabled for web form. You can set the URL if required. Say we'll set it that feedback, and you can also set a menu link just simply by clicking on feedback. I'll set a menu link and I'll click on save. Now I'll click on home. And you click on feedback. This is how your form is, because we've not yet made it, we'll click on web form. We'll add a text field, say with name first, name. We can make it a mandatory field, so we'll just click on this checkbox here. We can put the default value, but we won't do that. We can type in a description if you want, and we can give it width, and just click on save here. I'll leave all that things now. I'll give last name. Again, I'll make that thing as mandatory. I'll add phone number. Hold on, before that I'll have to save this thing. You can add anything. You can add email, field set. You can make anything, whatever you require. So for now, I'll just make 3 fields. I'll make the phone number also as text field, and I'll make it mandatory. Okay. Now you can just go and click on emails. Now by default there is nothing that is set here. You can put in your own email here, and you will click on add. Once you do that, you will get an email once the person selects, once he fills the form. You can set the subject line for the email. You can set the email for the person, and you can just click on save. Okay, see, one recipient has been added. You can also check the report when you click on results here. Right now we'll just look how the form looks. We'll see how the form looks. This is how your form would look. We'll open it in some other browser to get the better understanding. Okay, this is how your form would look. I'll just fill in. Okay. Thank you for your submission has been received. Go back to form. Now I have made one submission. I will get that thing as email in that recipients box, but for now I would just go and check for the result.